Welcome to Learn with Zaza and Mary.
Hello friends! Which is your favorite farm animal? My favorite is hen. Let's learn about hens. Here are some fun facts about hens for kids. Egg-laying champions. Hens are famous for laying eggs. They usually lay one egg per day, and their eggs come in various colors like white and brown. Scratch and peck. Hens love to scratch the ground with their feet to find tasty things to eat, like insects, seeds, and plants. Dust baths. Hens take dust baths to keep themselves clean and healthy. They roll around in the dirt, fluffing up their feathers and shaking off any dirt and parasites. Clucking communication. Hens cluck to communicate with each other. They have different clucks for warning about danger, calling their chicks, and just chatting with their friends. Mother hens. Some hens are excellent mothers. They sit on their eggs to keep them warm until they hatch, and they're very protective of their fluffy chicks. Colorful combs. Hens have a fleshy crown on their heads called a comb. It comes in different shapes and colors, and it helps them cool down when they're hot. Roosters and crowing. A rooster is a male chicken. It's known for its loud crowing sound in the morning. Roosters also protect the hens in their group. Wide eyes. Hens have very good eyesight. They can see colors and even small insects from far away. Tasty treats. Hens love to eat kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, bread, and even small pieces of fruit. Molting moments. Once a year, hens go through a process called molting. This means they lose some feathers and grow new ones. Curious creatures. Hens are curious animals. They like to explore their surroundings and will often investigate new things they find. Feather varieties. Different chicken breeds have different types of feathers. Social animals. Hens are social animals that enjoy being around their flock. They like to spend time with their chicken friends. Thanks for watching.